Hello class, welcome back to our next class. In case of unit number 6, it will be the induced breeding techniques in case of fish. Induced breeding म्हणजे काय असतं की आपण ती फिशला आर्टिफिशियली तयार करतो आहे फॉर द रिप्रोडक्शन. फिशचा हा एक ठरलेला पिरियड असतो. फिश रिप्रोड्युसेस ओनली इन केस ऑफ द ऑनसेट ऑफ मॉन्सून्स. सुरुवातीलाच they fish they can reproduce, but with these techniques, with induced breeding techniques, we are artificially breeding the fish, or we are getting ready the fish for the reproduction with using by applying some chemicals, and that chemicals inserting into the fish. These techniques they called as the induced breeding techniques. Now why induced breeding? The induced breeding is a technique where organism is stimulated by particular hormone or other synthetic hormone, or by providing a condition introduced to breed in a captive condition. एका ठरलेल्या वातावरणामध्ये त्याचा तो पिरियड नसतानाही आपण त्याला काय करतोय, वी आर प्रिपेरिंग फॉर द रिप्रोडक्शन ऑफ फिश by the stimulating some hormones, stimulating some chemicals by inserting some chemicals into the fish, and these are we are applying in case of induced breeding technique. Now the stimulation promotes the release of sperms and eggs from the gonads of the fish. Why we have a need of induced breeding? Because the environmental conditions like photoperiod, rain, temperature, currents of water, they are important parameters for the reproduction in case of aquatic animals. But insufficient release of hormones in the captive animal, and they are also having the insufficient of natural foods. In case of induced breeding techniques, we should kept points in mind, like the brooders should be healthy. ज्या फिश वरती आपण अप्लाय करणार आहोत induced breeding, ते कशा आहे, they called as the brooders. The brooders should be healthy, fully ripe and medium size. They are having large size breeders are avoided because they are the difficult in handling. Then the hormone should be calculated. This should be optimum according to the given protocols. Now in case of induced technique in case of fish, the artificial process by means of which the extract of the pituitary it is introduced inside the body of both the mature male and the female. Then after being excited, they lay eggs and the pond water subsequently fertilization takes place, and this process they call as a induced breeding in case of fish. By providing some chemicals, the fish started to produce the eggs. This is also known as hypophysis because the injection it is kept is inserted into the hypothalamus of pituitary gland. जे काही इंजेक्शन आहे हे कुठे तो आपण we are inserting the injection in case of hypothalamus of pituitary gland, and that's why they call it as a hypophysis. Now if you see the little bit history of induced breeding techniques in case of fish, the technique of induced breeding was first evolved in Argentina after producing pituitary extracted by P.A. Hussein. Then in India, it was first attempt was made by Hamid Khan in 1937 on the Sirenus mygale fish. Then Dr. Hilalal Chaudhary applied the technique in minor calves in 1955. Then Ramaswamy and Sundar Raj first introduced the breed Clarias vetricus and Heteropontis facilis. Then the scientists came and the experiment was successfully done onto the different fish. Now, why does fish not breed in captivity? Many cultural forms, fishes like IMC, they do not breed in captivity because certain environmental parameters like photoperids, rain, temperature, current of water, all they are influenced to the hormonal activity from pituitary gland to the gonads. Then there might be some disturbance arises in case of environment may cause insufficient of release of hormones. Then the fish does not breed captivity, because if the fish not breeding naturally, we can induce the injections, we can induce the chemicals for the production of eggs. आता ही आपल्याला का करायची आहे टेक्निक, टू गेट द मॅक्सिमाइज प्रोडक्शन ऑफ फिश थ्रू आउट द इयर. पहिले म्हटलेलं आहे की फिश ही एकदाच ब्रीडिंग करते ऑन टू द मॉन्सून सीझनला, पण जर तुम्हाला थ्रू आउट त्याचं प्रोडक्शन हवं असेल तर वी आर युझिंग दिस इंड्यूस ब्रीडिंग टेक्नॉलॉजीज. Then why this is a necessary? We have seen this because there is a we all know that ki fish is a cheap food than the other food, other animal food, and there is a demand of fish as a food. So because of the natural process, there is a very low income of the fish production, and to get the maximized quantity of fish, there has to be induced breeding technology have to be inserted into the culture of fish. Now these are the techniques we can see. The techniques we will going to see. First, we should know the location of pituitary gland. Location of pituitary gland. Pituitary gland तुमचा brain. If you see the brain of any animal, including man, brainच्या पाठीमागच्या स्पायनल कॉर्डच्या little bit above there is a black spot you can find, and then that the black spot is nothing but a pituitary gland, and this pituitary gland, they are responsible for releasing hormones, responsible for different hormones. मग ते कुठलेही हार्मोन असो, कोणत्याही ॲनिमल मध्ये pituitary gland it is responsible for the releasing of hormone, and that's why we should know the pituitary gland, and they are also called as a hypophysis. Then the removal of gland, the foramen magnum was first exposed by removing. You should not go to this. There are some instrument you can see here. The brain is located, and here we are having this instrument. We are like taking the brain out from the fish, and we are taking the pituitary gland. We are removing pituitary gland from the fish. These are some instruments we are using for this technique. Now, after removing of pituitary gland, there is a preservation of gland. There are two types of preservations. एक आहे alcohol preservation आणि एक आहे acetone preservation. In case of alcohol preservation, after collection of glands, they immediately, in case of absolute alcohol, the fish, the gland is dehydrated about 24 hours. After 24 hours, the gland washed with absolute alcohol and kept again in fresh absolute alcohol, stored in a refrigerator about 2 to 3 hours in the temperature of 4 degrees Celsius about 1 year. In case of acetone preservation, the glands kept in fresh acetone or in dry iced sheet acetone inside a refrigerator about minus 20 degrees Celsius for about 36 to 48 hours. Then after washing with 2 to 3 times with the acetone, they have to be interval taken for the washings, and then put on the filter paper and dried on the room temperature for 1 hour, and then they are these are the large process techniques we are using in case of different countries. Then extraction of pituitary gland. Then we have to extract the gland prepared just before the injection. Gland wetted and homogenized in distilled water about 0.3 saline. Then the final volume should be 0.2 ml per kg of the fish. Then the centrifuge and suspension, and then this is used for the inductions. We can also preserve this extract, this pituitary extract. This is used. This is in case of tricarbonic acids. They are used in case this extract they are preserving in case of TCS about 12 hours. Then Buddha selections, or the fish selection, the brooder must be healthy and ripe. Then 2 to 4 years of age is generally selected, and 1 to 5 kg of body weight is preferable. The injection to the breeders. The pituitary extract is administered into the body of breeders by means of hypodermic syringe, either intramuscular or the intraperitoneal. The determination of correct dosage of pituitary extract to be given to the breeders is very important and depends upon the size and state of maturity of the recipient as well upon the state of maturity. The fish किती mature आहे and त्याचे gland किती and to the donor for the glands. The cranial injection preferred by the USSR and intraperitoneal in the American countries. Then dosage. Female given 2 dosage. Initial dose is 2 to 3 mg per kg body weight. Then resolving dose. Then final dose. It about 6 to 8 mg. Then male given only 1 dose at the time of the second dose given to the female. Then for females, the Indian major calves 1 initial and after 5 to 7 final dose has been given. You can see the picture. This is the way the fish is alive. You have to like hold the fish, and this is the way to the dorsal fin. Here we are injecting the induction or the chemical. Then spawning. After induction to the brooders, a set of brooders are released into the breeding harpas. In harpa breeding, the harpas is the fine netting, rectangular in shape and held by 4 bamboo poles, one at each corner. Close mesh mosquito netting is referred to the purpose. एक 4 बांबूच्या लाकडांचा एक त्यावरती काय करतात they prefer the net. जसं आपली मच्छरदाणी असते, like that they are having the net where these the brooders they are set to free, where they play and they start to release the eggs, and that process they call as the spawning process. You can see this is a harpas where these are the fish they are living here, and you can see this is a mesh size where the eggs they got collected. हे बघा तुम्हाला कळेल की हे mesh size चे एक net आहे, हे bamboos आहे, and here the fish starting to lay the eggs. These are the different harpas. हे काय आहेत? हे harpas आहेत. Now, factor influencing the spawning of fish like climate. The temperature has to be in between 24 to 31 degrees Celsius. Then the water should be flowing because I told that the fish requires rainy season for the breeding. So त्यांना तो पाऊस यायचा फील झाला पाहिजे, म्हणून the water has to be flowing. Then the turbidity कमी असली पाहिजे. It has to be 100 to 1000 ppm. The light is also known to bring the light may help in the early mutation of the and spawning of the fish. Then structures of the fish plant, no need. These are the some chemicals. In the recent research, it was told that we could not मतलब आपण त्या फिशला मारून ती पिट्युटरी ग्लँड काढतोय, तर त्याच्याचे अल्टरनेटिव्ह म्हणून किंवा त्याला रिप्लेसमेंट म्हणून हे काही इंजेक्शन्स आहेत, काही केमिकल्स आहेत. विथ दीज इंजेक्शन्स ऑल्सो लाईक ऑर्गॅनन, देन cyanohorin and ovaprim. These are the 3 chemicals or the inductions we are inserting into the fish for the breeding. You can see this is the chemicals. Ovaprim आहे, हा Ovatide आहे. हे जे chemicals आहे, they are nowadays they are using these chemicals as a extract of a pituitary gland. Then the observations. At the time, there are certain problems. They are where the farmers are facing, like Farmers cannot measure the potential of available glands. Farmersला माहिती नाही किती gland कुठे आहेत. See the difficulty is large scale creation of storage of pituitary. कारण आपल्याकडे we have to store the extracts. If we are not using, we have to store the extract of pituitary gland. So the problem in case of storage is also coming. Large gap between the supply and demand of pituitary gland. Basic equipments like chemical balance, centrifuge and refrigerator are normally not available in several farms. And the gland, which the pituitary gland is very costly in case of market. The farmers, they could not afford to take that gland from the market and to apply the injections. In the conclusion, we can say that this is a very basic techniques where farmers can use, and by applying these techniques or the English breeding techniques, we can largely grow the production of fish, which is a highly economical. This is a reflection of economics. So that if we are applying these techniques, then we can take the production of fish about throughout the year. This is the best techniques one can use in case of aquaculture. Thank you. I will see you in next class.